one pint. This is one pint. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the seaside today we're going to the seaside. 3 years in Slovenia and I have never seen the Slovenian beach. So I think it's about time. This is their center and that's their Tržnica. People are already drinking early in the morning. That's Slovenia. We will buy some fruits for refreshment and for healthy snacks. It has a very different vibe here compared to Maribor. It's like I'm not in Slovenia anymore. They have different type of grass and trees on their hills. That's the, how to say this? Port. Yeah, airport. It's very different, you know, compared to the Asian vibe kind of a beach. The smell is fresher here. Morning, cool breeze. Oh, so nice. People are on holiday today, so yep. We're driving around to find a parking spot. So these are free parking or what?
No, of course not.
So we drove like for 3 hours and plus from Maribor to Izola. It's early morning and the breeze is still cool. It's not so hot. I highly recommend coming here early in the morning and you could start your day very, very nicely. So we set up our tent in this area. It's very cute. Let me show you. We are under shade, so it's very good. That's all. There's a free parking lot. It's just 2 minutes away from the campsite. I recommend having the beach shoes, which I have, but I don't have right now. The sunset, but unfortunately the Italian clouds there, see, that's already Italy, that's blocking my sunset, so I cannot see it anymore.